Take care of yourself. Look after your eyes and keep your body healthy. Turn away from the way of lures and from the paths of the wicked. Don't rely on men or on your own strength, but put your trust in me, and I will act. I will restore you. You thought you were late, but I will redeem the time for you. All those things you had lost will be restored to you, and you will regain the joy you once had. You will walk in the light of my words, and I will make my face shine upon you. Behold, I will establish you over the nations so that you may uproot and tear down, build and plant. Don't limit me. I want to do more. I can do infinitely more than you can imagine or ask. I will surprise you.